Hello, it's Glamstract here, and today another foundation review. And today's foundations are by Lancôme. We have the Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear foundation and the Lancôme Teint Miracle foundation. The shades that I've picked for myself from the Teint Idole Ultra Wear foundation, I have 021 Beige Jasmine, and the Teint Miracle, I picked the shade 04 Beige Nature. Nature? I was just being French like the brand. The Teint Idole Ultra Wear definitely better in terms of shades range, while the Teint Miracle had definitely very little shades. In fact, I did find it a little difficult. I wasn't sure if I wanted to pick the number 3 or the number 4, but they both had like very different undertones. They both had like a very different color. Like between those 3 and 4 there could have been like probably 4 more shades, but yeah, these are the foundation outside of their boxes. As you can see, I'm just gonna get them closer. The Teint Miracle is slightly darker than the Teint Idole, so that's also one of the reasons why I wanted to put these two foundations to the test here on YouTube together, because I found a way to use both. This one I would say is closer to my skin tone, but maybe slightly lighter, and this one is closer to my closer to my skin tone but slightly darker. Mix them together, they are the perfect shade, and they have both different formula. I've used these foundations previously, of course, and that's why I'm here now to review it for you. So the Teint Idole Ultra Wear foundation is more mattifying, but I wouldn't use that word strongly because it's not really mattifying. It's definitely got very comfortable, I would say it's a comfortable wear on the skin. And the Teint Miracle is more hydrating, more luminous, and basically everything up my alley. I really love a luminous hydrating foundation. Very disappointed though for the foundation shade range, but that's fine. I found a way to make it work, so I'll mix it together, so I'll customize my own foundation. Perfect shade, perfect finish. I sounded very excited there. Things that makes me excited these days, foundations. Okay, without any further ado, I'm gonna skip right through to the foundation application. I've applied, of course, my skincare down, and I've used the usual Origins, the Mega Mushroom line, and also prepped and primed my skin with the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. I'm gonna do 1 pump of the Teint Idole Ultra Wear, just one here. And I'm gonna do 1/2 pump of the Teint Miracle. So I'm gonna show it to you. So this is the Teint Miracle foundation, and this is the Teint Idole Ultra Wear foundation. You can see that this one is slightly darker, this one is slightly lighter. So mixing them together, it just creates the perfect match for my skin. I'm just gonna use a little, very little brush to mix them together before I apply it on the skin. I'm just making a cocktail over here. Anybody wants to join? It does have a fragrance. It's Lancôme, expected, to be honest. I'm not surprised. I'll take the usual Dior number 12 foundation brush and blend it in. Here we go. So this part of my face is now foundation applied. GGG, gorgeous, glorious glow. And that is because of the Teint Miracle foundation. But I just want to let it set on the skin before I go ahead and give it an ultimatum already. Don't you think I'm applying too much? These are literally very thin as paper kind of strokes I'm doing on my skin with the other brush. So no, I'm not over applying the skin. It's actually looking pretty natural, like a nice natural skin finish effect, which is what I love in a foundation. I like a skin finish, literally your skin but better. Gorgeous. This definitely goes in my top 10 foundation because, I mean, it looks awesome. Sometimes, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but when you know is that foundation is right, you know. Does it make sense? You know it. I don't know how, what other way I can explain myself, but you just feel it. You know, you feel it on your skin, you feel it throughout the day. You say, this is it. This is the foundation. This is good. What a gorgeous finish. This is totally irrelevant, but does it happen to you too? When you apply foundation, if you have a fresh face of foundation, you haven't powdered yet, and your nose or around your nose start to get itchy, and you cannot touch it because you don't want to stir the foundation you just applied because it's still fresh, and you know that as soon as you touch it, it's gonna move. Does it happen to you too? Let me know in the comment down below. So annoying, and like I'm getting these itches. Ugh. It's such a nice soft foundation, looks very natural. It looks like, I know this sounds very weird, but it looks like a kind of like a wedding day kind of foundation. Does that make sense? Oh, it's just gorgeous. I'm gonna go very quickly off camera, apply a little bit of a powder, bronzer, blush, a little bit of highlighter, and I'll come back and see how the foundation settled in and worked with the powders on top, and see you soon. I'm back. So this is the final look. If we zoom in, I'm gonna show you how did the foundation perform with the rest of my face. Well, kind of the rest of my face. Bronzer, blush, highlighter, and a little bit of setting powder. I didn't want to use any concealer because I really loved how natural and beautiful these two foundations look. Just gorgeous. It makes my skin look so plumped and healthy and glowy. Awesome. Definitely go for it. And this is it. We are towards the end of the video. Please let me know in the comment down below what you think about this foundation. If you agree with me, or if not, let me know why and what's your experience. But thank you very much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you didn't like it as well, because why not? Let's spread the love. And while you're here, why don't you subscribe to my YouTube channel? It's just down here, the red button. And also follow me on my Instagram at Glamstract if you want as well. No pressure. Thanks for watching again, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.